Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Be sure to subscribe our channel by clicking on the subscribe button you see on your screen. Today I'm going to cover chapter 7, membrane structure and function. So let's get started. So cellular membranes are fluid mosaics of lipids and proteins. Membrane structure results in selective permeability. Passive transport is diffusion of substance across a membrane with no energy investment. So plasma membrane, which is the boundary that separates living cells from its surroundings, which is selectively permeable, allows certain substances to cross it more easily than others. So it has a fluid mosaic models of lipids and proteins combinations. So this fluid mosaic has phospholipids and proteins specifically, and again, it's selectively permeable. So here's a picture actually from chemical biology, which is basically it shows you a plasma membrane and everything outside, like extracellular matrix, and inside the microfilaments, and then proteins like peripheral versus integral proteins on the membrane. So membrane proteins, again, they are called peripheral if they are bound on the surface. They are called integral if they penetrate, go through the membrane from one side to another. These are also called transmembrane proteins. So 6 major functions of membrane proteins are transport, enzymatic activity, signaling, cell-cell recognition, intercellular joining, and attachment to the cytoskeleton and extracellular matrix. So the carbohydrates can also be glycolipids, glycoproteins, combinations, and used in cell-cell recognition. Membranes structure results in selective permeability of the lipid bilayers. There's hydrophobic parts, which is nonpolar, like such molecules like hydrocarbons can dissolve in the lipid bilayer, pass through membrane rapidly. But hydrophilic molecules, including ions and polar molecules, do not cross the membrane easily. Transport proteins, there is a special transport protein called aquaporins, which are the channel proteins that facilitate passage of water. Passive transport is diffusion of substance across membrane with no energy usage. Osmosis is a special diffusion of water across a selectively permeable membrane. Isotonic solution is basically solute concentration is same in both inside and outside. Hypertonic is higher outside. Hypotonic is higher inside. Diffusion can be facilitated diffusion. You can use ion channels or gated channels. Active transport actually uses energy, and then you don't need actually any concentration gradient, because there is a pump like sodium potassium pump you see here can actually transport stuff from one side to another side. Membrane potential is the voltage difference across a membrane, basically combined with the concentration gradient. Now we call it electrochemical gradient, which is combination of chemical force and electrical force. Co-transport is the coupled transport by a membrane protein. Basically, you see an example here, transporting sucrose and sucrose and protons. It's called sucrose proton co-transporter. Bulk transport can occur also, like exocytosis, transport of vesicles migrate to membrane, fuse with it, and releasing the content outside of cell. Or endocytosis, which is the opposite, cell takes in macromolecules, forming vesicles from the plasma membrane. And this concludes our chapter 7, membrane structure and function. See you in next video.